So this is a stainless steel body Brinks. I believe they call it the Discus. This is an r60. I was going to do single pin picking, but I decided against it. It's got 4 pins. It's just my hands cramp up too much. It's locked, by the way. I'm going to use the rake. Put some tension on here. And there you go. Now it's unlocked. Pretty cool lock, I like it. Not much to it, people. If I can buy an Amazon pick set and play with this for 3 weeks, so can you. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing. I'll see you next time.